Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Amira. I am the representative from Group 11. Today, I will present on our product, which is called JustShop mobile application. JustShop is an application that assists shopping for personal shoppers and potential customers. So what is the problem? The problem is there is no proper platform for personal shoppers to run and manage their services. And the second one is customers find it difficult to find trusted personal shoppers within their areas. So this problem statement lead to the objective of our project, which is the first one, to develop a proper and systematic platform for personal shoppers to run and manage their services. The second one is to design a user-friendly apps for customers to find trusted personal shoppers. This is the hierarchy chart for JustShop mobile application. We have two types of application, which is web and mobile. The web application is used by admin, while for mobile application, it is used by personal shoppers and customers. So now let's go ahead to the demonstration part. See, this is the login page for the application. We can log in using email and password, as well as we can log in using Google. We also can register if we are the new user. But for now, I already have an account, so I am going to sign in with Google. Alright, now the login is success, and this is the dashboard for the application. Here on the dashboard, you can see the list of live shop, scheduled shop, as well as ready shop. So this is the three types of shop available in this application. The next one is shopper. So for the shopper tabs, and it will display a list of personal shoppers that near to them. Now let's go to the me tab. Right now I want to register as a personal shopper. There are three simple steps to register as personal shopper. The first one is to take a photo of your My Card. As you can see here, the photo cannot be uploaded using gallery. You must capture the image using camera. This is to ensure that the person who registered as shopper is the owner of the My Card. Right now, for the next step, it is to upload selfie. So now let's go ahead and upload my selfie. Okay, so this is my selfie. The last one is we need to enter our address as personal shopper. Right, click on submit. Now the registration is successful and the status is pending. So now let's go to the admin part. Go ahead and log in. So now we want to verify the shopper. So we need to go to the shoppers tab. Here I just register as shopper, which is Umi Amira here. The status is pending. Now let's go ahead and click view. So admin will verify if the image is matched or not. So now admin will verify or reject. If admin reject the request, it will prompt out a dialog box to enter the reason. For now, I'm just going to verify. Whenever the admin verify any request for personal shopper, it will send an email to the personal shopper's email. Alright, so that is the email. Alright, so this is the email that stated that our request to join as personal shopper has been verified. Now, let's go back to the app. Okay, so this is the list of function that personal shopper can access. So now let's go ahead to the My Shop section. Live shop is for personal shoppers who are already at the location of, so assume that I already at the location. So now let's create new live. Alright, so whenever I click on the start live button, it will push a notification to all my followers. So let's try to click on start live. On this phone here, it is login as Aqilla. Aqilla is my followers, so Aqilla will get the notification. Now let's go back to the live shop for the shopper. Here, so let's try to add one product for now. Right, so click on add button to add the product to the live shop. Okay, now I have one product on my live shop. Let's see what Aqilla can view. Alright, this is my live shop. So now this is the list of product that the shopper has added. We can view the product details by clicking on it. We also can chat with the shopper by clicking on the chat button. Okay, so now let's try to purchase this lamp. Click on buy now button. Select the quantity. Okay, it will calculate the total and the subtotal payment for the product, for the order. So here we also can change the delivery method. Okay, and then this is the total we need to pay, which is 70 ringgit. We need to pay using JustPay, which is the wallet for this application, but it is the balance for the wallet is insufficient. So let's try to top up the wallet first. So let's just add 100. Now let's proceed with the top up process. Alright, so this is the payment gateway page for JustShop mobile application. We need to select any bank that we prefer. Click on pay button to proceed with the payment. It will redirect to the bank page. And then it will redirect back to the apps. So here is the payment status. It is successful and we can see that the payment amount is 100, and click on done to go back to the checkout page. Alright, now our balance is sufficient enough to pay for the order. Let's click on pay now. We need to enter the 6-digit PIN before we make payment. So let's enter the right. Okay. So the payment is successful. As you can see, shopper received a notification whenever a customer made an order. Here in the manage live shop also, the shopper can see the quantity of pending order. Let's try to click on the lamp IKEA. It will display a list of order by customer. So the shopper needs to confirm the product to be able to proceed with the next step. Right, so now I am the shopper. I will confirm the product availability. Click on confirm button and confirm the product. For the shopper, let's assume that I want to end my live shop. Click on the end live button. Right, the live has ended. Let's go back. Okay, let's see my sales. So for the shopper view, every order that the shopper receive will be moved to this tab, to deliver tab. Alright, so they need to enter the delivery information to proceed to the next step. Let's try to enter the delivery information. Right, and click on save. The order just now has moved to the waiting acceptance. Alright, now the status has changed to in delivery. Alright, so from the Aqilla, we can see that the status has changed to in delivery, and then Aqilla needs to receive the purchase. Okay, so let's assume that Aqilla already received the product, and Aqilla needs to click on this button. Alright, so confirmation, it will display a confirmation dialog. Alright, so now let's go ahead and verify this. So the customer can proceed with the rating process. So let's click on this button to rate the shopper. For example, let's rate like this. Right, let's click on submit. Now the rate has been submitted and the shopper will receive the notification on the rate. You can see that you have received new rating from your customer. Okay, so that is for the order status process from pending to delivered as well as to completed. Right, so let's go back to the shopper page. Click on my shop. Okay, we have another two types of shop, which is schedule and ready shop. So for schedule, it is for shopper who planning to go to a location at a specific time. So let's try to create new schedule. Right, select the date. We can add a list of product you are planning to shop. Okay, so for now let's just leave this empty. Let's click on save. Now I already add the schedule shop. Let's see how the view by the customer. Right, so from Aqilla we can see that the schedule shop we added just now is here. 2 days left. Umi Amira will shop at IKEA. So let's click on the schedule shop. Okay, now you can see that the shop details as well as the shopper details. We can see the rating, also we can see the profile as well, but we cannot see any product yet because the shopper not added any product. Still, the customer can request the product if they want to. So now let's right now click on save to submit the request. Now our request has been submitted. You can see that shopper received the notification whenever they have an incoming request. So let's click on we need to go to the selected schedule shop. Okay, we can see that the request product here on the list, which is Aqilla request just now. It need response. Let's click on the product to either accept or reject the request. So let's try to accept the request. Whenever the shopper want to accept the request, they need to specify the price for the product. It is the shopper responsibility to specify the price and not the customer. Okay, so next click on save to accept the request. Okay, you can see that Aqilla received the notification whenever the request is accepted by shopper. Now let's go back to the Me tab for Aqilla. Go to my request. Okay, you can see the list of requests here. The status is request accepted, as well as the price here stated that this is the price confirmed by the shopper. So Aqilla can either cancel the request or go ahead and place the order. So now let's just cancel the request. Okay, so any request that has been cancelled will move to the history tab. Thank you for watching, and I hope everything is clear. If there are any inquiry, let's just do a Q&A section for this Wednesday. Thank you.